Hi, you all just finished a U-try where you got to complete a table of values for a function. So really this is what we were kind of practicing along, but we graphed it afterwards, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys can at least fill out a table of values and do that part okay. So the function I gave you had a combination of both of the things, a couple of things that we worked on. So it had f of x equals 3x squared minus 2, and I gave you the x values of -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So the y values are the f of x values. So if I have x is -2, then you would do -2 squared, which would be 4. And then you'd multiply by 3, which would give you 12. And then you would subtract 2, which would give you 10. So again, if f of -2, you would do 3 times -2 squared minus 2, and you'd do the exponent first, the multiplication second, and the subtraction third, okay? If x is -1, you would do the same procedure. You're going to do the exponent first, -1 squared, which is +1, the multiplication second, so 3 times 1 would be 3, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. If x is 0, 0 squared is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 2 is -2. If x is 1, 1 squared is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. And if x is 2, 2 squared is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 minus 2 is 10. So there are the y values that go with those x values. You'll even notice that nice symmetry line right here when x is 0. We have, 1 on each side, and then 10 for 2 and -2. So you can notice that symmetry as well.